What's going on, my fellow TubeUs? In my last video I showed you guys how to remove the door panel out of a C5 Corvette, and this is the panel off. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll put a card or something up here for you guys to learn how to take it off. And today we are going to be doing the side mirror, so we're gonna take that off first. So let's get to it. First thing we're gonna start with is the disassembly of the speaker. We have to take it off. First we'll unclip this clip. Just get your fingernail in there and pull it back to release. Just like that. And that's off. Now you're gonna need your ratchet with the 7mm socket. And we're gonna take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I don't know why I don't have a 6th screw at the top. I will be replacing that. I just noticed that. That's funny. So I'm gonna start unscrewing. And the speaker should come off just like that. Alright, so we'll put that aside. Now, these two plugs here at the top, I'll give you a better view. They have to come out. So just try and pull them out with your finger. Just like that. It's hard to do with one hand. I put the camera down. And just like that. Those grommets are out. Make sure your window is rolled down so you can access these bolts for the mirror. Just plug in your switch and roll the window down if you don't have it down. And let's see if I can show you guys. Even if I shove the camera in there, you still can't see. Oh yeah, you can. There. There's 3 there. Those are the ones that you have to remove. So you need your ratchet with an extension and your 10mm socket. And you're gonna stick it right through this hole here so you can see what I'm doing. And right now I am right on the bolt there of the mirror. So that's how you get one of them. Let's take this off. This one, be very careful. It's just I'm not taking off. It's inside the panel, and you can read it still. That's what it means. We get too carried away, we have to remove the harness for the mirror. So you're gonna want to pull this clip towards you and pull it straight out. Okay, and then you have a little rubber grommet here. You're gonna remove that grommet and you're gonna feed this inside. You're also gonna have a clip inside the door panel. You want to basically just feel the clip because you can't really see it, and to unlock it, it's a bit of a pain, but you want to pull it towards you. Alright guys, after that big clip, this white one here, I don't know if you could see that, this white one here that I'm touching, you have to get the harness for the mirror right through it, and then you're gonna have let me see if I can show you. You're gonna have another clip. It's a black clip here, one that I'm touching. You have to pop that off, and then you have this one as well. You just want to slide it over to the right. These are very hard to take off. Like that. Slide it over to the right. I don't know if you guys can see that. I apologize. It's a very tight space. And then there you go. Your harness is free. So now you can continue unscrewing the last bolt for the mirror, and we'll be able to take that mirror right off. That's it, everyone. All the bolts are out. Now we are going to remove this mirror just like that, and that's it. That's how you remove your driver's side mirror. Just a quick update, I managed to fix the threads here, and when you're unscrewing the mirror, you should only be unscrewing these nuts. The passenger side is exactly the same, and that's it. Perfect. Everyone, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave a like, and I hope to see you in the next videos. See ya.